Hello guys, today we will be doing a would you rather. The answers that you guys think you should write in the comments. So let's go. Would you rather have TikTok on your phone, whatever, or your iPad, tablet, or Likey? Okay. Would you rather eat mac and cheese for the rest of your life or tomato and basil pasta? I would rather eat mac and cheese for the rest of my life. What would you, Louis? Like mac or cheese or tomato and basil pasta? Yeah. Well, no, what would you rather out of TikTok or Likey? Okay, so I'd rather TikTok. What would you rather have for the rest of your life? If there was a game, would you rather have Roblox or a Gucci game? I would pick Roblox because Gucci games wouldn't be that good.
What would you do on it? Create your Gucci?
Okay, so would you rather Louis Vuitton or Gucci? I'd rather Gucci. Louis, I know what you would rather. Louis Vuitton, because that's your own brand. No, I'd rather Gucci. What would you?
Um, Gucci's cheaper.
Yeah, but yeah, depends really. So, bye guys. That's it for today. Remember to smash that like button and that subscribe button and comment what you would rather. And also, who does the better videos so far? This was created by me, Ariadne. So let's just go through the slides quickly again one last time. So TikTok or Likey for number one. Mac and cheese or tomato and basil pasta. I would rather mac and cheese. Roblox. Gucci. So all of my things are almost on this side, look. So anyway guys. So if you want to see more of these would you rathers, just type it in the comments as well and just we want to know. So bye.